showing you how to get Windows gadgets on Windows 8 and later. So you may remember Windows Vista or 7, those gadgets like the clock, slideshow image. So I'll be showing you how to get them. Before we continue, all the opinions are my own. I pay for this system program with my own funds. I've never been sponsored for a video. Let's continue on. So what you need to do is open your designated web browser. For example, mine is Chrome. Wait for your default page to load. No, I don't want to win club. I can't make a new tab, that's a bit dodgy. So I'm gonna look up Windows 8, Windows 7 gadget. For Windows 8. Now you want to find 8gadgetpack.net. We can work on 8 and 10. I know it's 8, but it works on 10. So for Windows 10, 8, and the minor upgrade 8.1. So when you open the installer, you'll see install. Yes, yes, and that's what it is. Add gadgets on the slider. You can also right click on the desktop and do gadgets. Settings, change the look. All these settings. File. So yeah. So you're going to hit download. So it's an MSI installation file. I'll save it in your location you want to save. So when it does, you open the file. Done downloading. So you see it installing. So let's wait for it to optimize and get ready to install. Still optimizing. Click install. You need admin rights, so not on a school computer. Yes, I would like to install. Validating install. Wait until it finishes installing. You can also install this on the older version for this update, like I've done in the past. Usually that's supporting a later version of Windows or bug fixes or optimizing that or So yeah, as you wait for it to load. Come on. What fun waiting for programs to install. Please wait while the setup install 8 gadget pack, so Windows Vista and 7 gadgets for 8 and up. So, you may say, hey, I just want the Windows 7 gadgets, but you'll get the Vista gadgets and throw in a few extras. This usually takes a couple of minutes to install. Please wait. Installing 8 gadget pack. 8 gadget pack setup. Status. So, this is taking a while, so when it installs, I'll see you guys back. Okay, I'm back and it's done. It was interrupted, but it's installed, because I already have it installed. So if I hit finish, it was installed. So what you've got to do is right click on desktop and see gadgets. They have their own custom icon which looks very similar to the original, but just better looking. So if you hit gadgets, if you do right click gadgets, you have an option for gadgets. I already have my gadgets installed, so you can add more. So let's say I want, hey, this one, date and time. You select it and drag it. Options, change date, time. I want theme to be modern, nature. I know. Not weird. Oh, raw. That's the Vista look. So now drag these over the little 9 thing. There. So that's how we had gadgets to it. Plus there's a resize option. So that's how we do gadgets. I'm Sam. Thank you for watching and see ya.